In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to blend images in Canva. If you're looking to enhance your design projects with layered images and beautiful blending effects, you've come to the right place. Let's start by heading over to canva.com. Once you're there, you'll find the login button conveniently located in the upper right corner of your screen. You can sign in using a range of options such as Google, Facebook, or simply with your email address. This flexibility makes it easy to access your Canva account no matter your preference. Now that you're signed in, look to the left corner of your screen for 3 horizontal lines. Click on these to open up the menu, then select Create a Design. This is where the fun begins, as Canva provides you with a wide array of templates to choose from. Whatever your project might be it a social media post, a poster, or a flyer, you're in control of starting fresh or using a pre-existing template that meets your creative needs. Once you've selected your base template, the next step is to import the images you want to blend. Think of this as your digital canvas where you can position and resize images as you see fit. After importing, place one image directly on top of the other. This is the foundation of your blend, and positioning is key here. Feel free to experiment with placements until you find the perfect composition that resonates with your project's theme. With your images in place, it's time to create the blending effect using transparency. Click on the image that sits on top and look for the transparency option. Here you'll find a slider that allows you to adjust how see-through the top image becomes. By lowering the transparency, the image beneath will become more visible, seamlessly blending the two. This effect can introduce a touch of elegance and depth to your project. To amplify the blend further, you can incorporate a gradient element. Adding a rectangle or square from Canva's Elements menu and applying a gradient to it creates an even more dynamic effect. Using the color picker tool, you can select colors directly from your images or choose custom colors that complement your design. This allows for greater harmony and cohesiveness in your composition. Finally, don't forget to adjust the transparency of your gradient element as well. This provides an additional layer of control over the blending effect, ensuring your design maintains the desired balance and visual appeal. By playing around with these elements, you'll be able to achieve professional grade blends that are sure to captivate anyone who views your design. And there you have it. Blending in Canva is a simple yet effective way to elevate your design projects. Thank you for tuning in, and be sure to subscribe for more tips and tutorials on enhancing your design skills.